Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is Saturday, January 3rd, 2026 at 9:43 p.m. Yay! Uh, Tried to get over to get my visa going yesterday, but they were closed for New Year's on Friday. So, yay. Pulled out a bit of money for I'm going to try to get it while it's up here at a high rate and get me a few extra pesos out of my funds to get a motorcycle, make it cheaper. Uh, so yeah, feeling better. My gut has got back sort of to normal, and well, it's never fun when you spend more time on the toilet than you do not on the toilet in any hour. Yeah, makes for bad days. It is what it is. Anyway, uh, got over a friend had a birthday, so yay, it's a good thing. Uh, yeah, did the birthday party yesterday evening, so didn't get to get here. I got the. I don't remember if I did an early morning one or not. It is what it is. Uh, Went over and got some. I decided to get my own plates. Don't get me wrong, they're plastic, but I got a couple of saucers, a little strange meat tray, and square plates. So yay! Of course, now if I manage to have I don't know, have some female want to live with me, as insane as that would be, I'd probably have to get more plates. But this will do for me. And that's all there is right now, so I'm happy with that. Uh, yeah, it is what it is. That and I'm charging up this right now so that I can get a shave going. Because, oh yeah, I need to shave. Get all this off. Using that to clip it all back, I can get it pretty close and be happy with it. I might have to do this more often, but it is what it is. Oh, and all right, you read my shirt. That's enough social interaction for the day. Yeah, I might be a bit strange there. It is what it is. Anyway, I did get over and get some groceries and some things taken care of. So, yay, get this thing charged up. Gonna take care of this. Uh, just got through eating some tuna fish sandwiches. Did it up all the whole 9 yards. Eggs, pickle relish, mustard, yeah, mayonnaise, salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic chops and onion chops in there. I know I'm strange. I put garlic in almost everything. I don't worry about bloodsuckers. The vampires can't stand me. So yay. Uh, yeah, a lot of folks run around screaming about mosquitoes. You worry about mosquitoes, they'll bite you. They'll bite you, and I'm like, nah. Yeah, I've never had a problem with mosquito. I like garlic too much. Bloodsuckers don't like garlic. Yeah, I'm not. I don't even really have that much of an issue with ticks. And ticks are some serious bloodsuckers. So yeah, I don't know. You eat enough garlic, and most vampires, bloodsuckers, mosquitoes, whatever, don't want nothing to do with you. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Uh, Eyes are showing blue today. Blue shirt, blue eyes. Uh, I get a green shirt on, and my eyes become more green. Put a red shirt on, I get a little more of a red tint to them. Today, I'm getting the blue. That is what it is. It's okay. Although this eye over here, uh, this one got when I got my surgery on it, they cleared out the inside and got all the little floaty things out of it. Well, this one hasn't, so I still have little floaties in this one. But that's I haven't had a retina surgery on this one, so but I still got little floaties. Might be why I have more of a hard time with this eye for reading and such. But that's okay. Reading, that's what these are for. Yes, up close and personal, and I can read. Of course, probably I really need to clean the lens off on that. It is what it is. Anyway, uh, whee, oh belly, three tuna fish sandwiches. Good. Uh, anyway, tomorrow I'm going to try to get up and go over to the church. Part of me wants to try to go over to now and check out that church a little better and do a little there tomorrow. I don't know. I might have to get up early and try to catch the bus, get over there and check it out. Just saying. Be good to get over to there and check out a church over there because it's actually the one that kind of liked it, and that's where I don't know. I don't show up there. Yeah, a little cross on the corner. There you go. But yeah, the I went up there and was there on their fiesta day, and it was crazy. And yeah, ended up having somebody give me that. So it's one of the reasons I actually like Denau. Uh, I like the area. So go up there tomorrow and check that out. Do a bit. Boy. But I'm gonna try to over this next week. I think I'm gonna try to rent a motorcycle, one of two or three that I'm really looking at, and see which one I like the most. Uh, yeah, some of them have what is it, anti-lock brake on them. I think that would be a good idea. I definitely want the automatic version. So yeah, I'm getting old. Less less coordination between things. Uh, I can, and I did when I was taking my little class back in East Texas or Amarillo, Panhandle, Texas. Uh, so yeah, my get there, and get that, and it makes it easier than trying to operate all the different bells and whistles. Although the more practice I get at it, the better I'd get at it. Really don't want to take the chance of not getting the combination right and flipping myself. Uh, yeah, don't need those kind of problems. So get one that has anti-lock brakes, so you don't have to worry so much about slamming on the brakes. And then uh, the automatic transmission, so you don't have to worry about trying to downshift and upshift and all that shit. Yeah, it's got to be either the anti-lock brakes or the combi brake, is what they call them over here, combined braking system. Yeah. Part of me looks at it and says, get disc brakes on both ends, front and back. But I know that drum brakes are good on the back too. They do work. Uh, and they're about the same number of parts all told. So I don't know. That's one of the things I'm going to be looking at Monday and Tuesday. And then, like I say, I'm probably going to rent a bike. That way I can try to get some things taken care of and try those different bikes out and see which ones I like. Like I say, there's that Suzuki Bergman. There's the ADV, Honda ADV. And then there's the NMAX. Kind of liked it too. Of course, then there's also the little Beats and the Mios in the streets. There's a bunch of scooters over here. You know, they don't have a lot of those available in the U.S. So yeah, yeah. Go out and try a few of them. Rent them for a day or two or a week. And be happy. And see which one I like the most and decide. But yeah, part of me thinks just go for a quick day or an overnight up to Denau tomorrow. Get over there, catch church, and then spend the night, check a few places, and then head back uh, after checking on a few places to rent on Monday morning. But I need to get my visa in on Monday, so I either have to carry my visa with me and all that fun stuff, or I have to swing back by here. Part of me says, I don't know. Decisions. I'll get it figured out. Of course, part of me says just go back to bed and sleep for the next 36 hours. It's amazing how really drained you can get being sick as a dog and not getting out of the bed except to go to the bathroom. Yeah. Is that really rest? Oh no. But I did most of that today. I mean, I did get up and go get my groceries and such, and so yay. And I got up and I did some dishes and cooked a little. So yeah, all the fun stuff. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all have a blessed day. I'm going to get out of here. This is Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friends, a lot of family. And oh, yeah, more food. And then, yeah, have a good day. Later blessings. Bye bye. I'm Fish. And hey, Fish is out.